Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. I hope you are all doing very well. In this video, I will show you how you can print multiple PDF files at once. Now let's get started to our video. As you can see viewers, we have here multiple PDF files and we want to print all of them at once. In this video, I will show you two different ways to print that. The first way is that by selecting and right click. But remember viewers, this trick will only apply if you have 15 or less than 15 PDF files. If you have more than 15, this option will not show. Here we will use another trick to print all these PDF files. Now let's go to start button and click device and printers. Now guys, as you can see here, we all have different printers attached to our system. Now we want to print our files by this uh, printer. Now remember guys, first of all you have to uh, do all the settings for the prints, like what kind of page, double sided or single side, so your PDF will go according to your settings. Here we will set our settings: A4 size, which tray we want to print from, uh, single sided or double sided. Now we will click on the first option, see what's happening, what's printing, and dialog box will appear here. Now viewers, we will do here a simple trick. We will drag all these PDF files we want to print and paste it in the dialog box. By dragging these here, an option will appear. Uh, you are trying to print multiple PDF files. Viewers, as you will click on yes option, your printing will be start. Now we don't want to print, so we will click to no. Viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope guys this was very helpful to you. Again, thanks.